YouTube. It's Buffalo Perch Killer Mariah. Come over this way, Mariah, so YouTube can see you. There she go, YouTube. Get your fishing pole. Show them how to catch a fish. This is Mariah's fishing show. That's not how you catch a fish, Mariah. Stop. Look at that nice ugly stick she just got sitting on the ground. That's her grandmother ugly stick right there. Y'all know what that is. That's the perch killing whipping stick. Stuck. Catch a fish, mama. Mama, catch a fish. It's a nice day over here. Ain't nobody catching anything. No fish whatsoever. Buffalo, New York. And fishing is poor. Come over here and let your grandmother get you loose, Mariah.
Come here, Mariah.
Come on.
Come on, Fatty Patty. Oh, Lord.
That's what she did last time, man, on YouTube. Go over there to your grandma, she's gonna get you loose. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
That's how she fish, y'all.
Pick your foot up. Pick your foot up.
With this nice fishing pole. YouTube, we're gonna have to get her loose again. Alright, you free. Come here, we're gonna get you loose.
I got a big fish.
Go ahead, Grandma gonna get you free.
Hold still, girl.
Mariah's Fishing Adventures. That's what we're gonna call this.
Keep this foot up.
You free.
Okay, go.
Who, me? Here, Mama, you want your pole? Catch a fish with it. Get him. Get him. You got him. You got him. Get him. Get him, Mama. Get him. You got it? Mariah, you got the fish?
Don't drop your pole in the water.
I don't know what kind of fishing she's doing. What's over there? You see the boat?
It's a boat. See the boat? Mariah, look. See the boat?
Oh, she tied up again. Mariah, come say hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Uh-oh, look, waves in the water. Look.
Just a mess.
You hooked again? Say hi, YouTube.
Yeah.
How you doing, YouTube?
I
Say my granddaddy, the perch killer. The perch killer? Yeah, I'm the perch killer.
Here, girl. Let's see, give me this one.
All right, Mariah, we gotta stop fishing because you keep getting tied up. What? Who? She's sleepy. Give me your fishing pole so you don't get hooked. Give me. I bet you some fish on here. All right, YouTube, we pretty much just chilling instead of fishing. I guess we're gonna have to go get some ice cream or something. Wanna go get some ice cream? Mariah, baby perch killer. You want some ice cream? You don't want no ice cream? Look at that duck. Huh? All right, what you doing? You not catching no fish? No, you're not. All right, YouTube, I don't know if I'm gonna use this video or not, but we just out here chilling.